Good morning, class. Today we are starting chapter 12, the state of Peninsular Plateau. We are going to study a beautiful state of plateau, that is Madhya Pradesh. You know, Madhya Pradesh has derived its name from Sanskrit words Madhya, meaning center, and Pradesh, meaning land. And it is also referred as the heart of India due to its location at the center of India. The capital of Madhya Pradesh is Bhopal. This Madhya Pradesh shares its boundaries with Uttar Pradesh in the northeast, Chhattisgarh in the southeast, Maharashtra in the south, Gujarat in the west, and Rajasthan in the northwest. The major cities of Madhya Pradesh are Bhopal, Indore, and Ujjain. And Narmada and Tapti are the important rivers that flow through this state. Now about the languages. Official language of Madhya Pradesh is Hindi, but Urdu is also spoken there. The tribals such as the Bhils, Gonds, and Kurkus have their own languages. Uh, Madhya Pradesh is famous for its delicious food. They have great variety of food. This is a picture of dal bafla, which is a vegetarian dish, and it's very common there and very popular there, and it is made by using wheat and ghee. Tribal food is totally different from the city food. And the Madhya Pradesh is also famous for the meat preparation like Sikh kebab and the Rogan Josh. When we talk about the culture and festivals of Madhya Pradesh, this state is known for its Hindustani classical music gharanas. It is also known for its folk dances, and the people celebrate festivals such as the Shivratri, Eid, Navratri, and Ramnami. There are tribal festivals also, and the festival of dance is held at Khajuraho temple. This is a tribal dance known as the Badhai dance. This is Matki dance. This is also a tribal dance where the ladies just carry matkis on their head for dancing. This is one more tribal dance which is very famous there, known as the Raiv dance. Bhagoria is a very famous tribal festival where mostly all tribes take part to perform the different dances. This is a picture of a Khajuraho dance festival, which is like many foreigners come to India to watch this, and here the most of the classical dances of India are performed. Regarding the agriculture, majority of the people practice farming here, and the main crops are wheat, maize, jawar, soya bean, mustard, groundnuts, pulses, and the cash crops are also there like cotton and sugar. This is a picture of a jawar. Madhya Pradesh is famous for its tourism. This is a picture of Ikana National Park, which is famous for the deer also. This is Abhim Betka Caves, and this is the picture here which shows about the paintings which are like on the rocks. This is Sachi Stupa, which is very famous stupa of Buddha here. Now this is Narmada river of Madhya Pradesh. Regarding the industries of the Madhya Pradesh, this is Maheshwari handloom industry, which is the famous industry of Madhya Pradesh, and Maheshwari saris are very famous not in India but all over the world. These are Maheshwari saris. They are handmade saris and are very expensive also. One more Chanderi handloom industry is there. There is a one village, Chanderi, which is a famous for this handloom industry. This is also the Chanderi cloth and the saris they make, which is very famous. So in today's class, we have learnt about the Madhya Pradesh, its language, that is Hindi, and Urdu is also spoken. Its culture and festival, they celebrate all Eid, Ram Navami, Shivratri, all festivals there. And there are many places for the tourists there, and the national parks are there. The rich history of the tribes of Madhya Pradesh is also there. So in live class today, we already learned about the physical features of the peninsular plateau. In this video, we learned about a beautiful state, Madhya Pradesh. Now, it is your turn to read this chapter and learn a little more. Thank you.